Hi everyone, today we are going to learn some tips to solve a function question, and this question is one of the past paper question from function topics. So let's start with the first part. So before we start, I want you to check this as well, so recall sections. So when you find the vertical asymptote, you need to make denominator equal to 0. This is the golden rule, and we have the steps over here, how to check them. Okay, so step 1 is, first you need to check the discriminant of the denominator. So my denominator over here is x squared plus 6x plus 10. As you see, the coefficient of x squared is 1, it's 1x squared. Coefficient of b is 6 and c is 10. So I'm going to use a discriminant. As you see, when I solve it, b squared minus 4ac will give me negative value. So for that reason, we have no vertical asymptote. Okay, let's look at part B. Now in section B, we find the equation of horizontal asymptote, and here is the steps for finding the horizontal asymptote. We will check for the degree of numerator first and degree of denominator, and we will compare them. Okay, let's start. So first of all, let's look at the degree of numerator, which is, let's say, degree, in this case is 2. Okay, degree for denominator is, I'm sorry, here it is 1, because I'm looking for the coefficient, the highest coefficient one. So here it is, this one will be 1. Degree is 1, and over here degree of the highest power is 2. So when the degree of numerator is more or less than degree of denominator, then the horizontal asymptote will be 0. Okay, what if we have a different situation like this one? Let's say degree of numerator is 2 and degree of denominator is 1. As you see, the degree of numerator is more than degree of denominator, then horizontal asymptote, we will just say no horizontal asymptote, just because of this situation. Okay, let's look at, in this case we want to find out the exact value of f of x from 1 to 0. Okay, let's start. So here I'm going to use integration by substitution. So let's call x squared plus 6x plus 10 as u, and I'm going to take the derivative from left and right hand side, 2x plus 6 dx will be du. Okay, so if I go from 1 to 0, I'm going to express this as, look, 2x plus 6 dx. Instead of writing 2x plus 6 dx, I will just say du over u, then u, and from where? From 1 to 0. So ln x squared plus 6x plus 10, because I just replace u with this one, 6x x squared plus 6x plus 10 from 1 to 0. That will be, if I plug in 1 into equation, I will get 1 square is 1 plus 6 times 1 is 6 plus 10 will be 17 minus ln, if I plug in 0, I'll get 10. So let's use the rule of logarithm. If it is minus, I divide them. So that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. Check the other videos, please.